Hello, I'm Bob Ravenscroft, the Vice President for Advancement at BryanLGH, and I'm pleased to be presenting the third installment of our Bryan Health B-Tube series. And this week we're going to give you a sneak peek of what you're going to see the rest of the summer in our weekly B-Tube segments. In July we're going to focus on the history of Bryan Memorial Hospital, Lincoln General Hospital, and then our 15 years together as Bryan Health. In August we're going to present a lot of logistical information and key information about activities taking place to make the name change happen. In September we're going to focus on a lot of events that are beginning to celebrate our time as BryanLGH and look forward to becoming Bryan Health. And then in October our future will be among us. So here's a sneak peek of some of the things you'll see through July, August, September, and October.
Starting in July, we're going to look at the history of Bryan Memorial Hospital, learn about the history of Fairview and the Bryan's original gift to the people of Nebraska.
Then we'll turn our attention to the history of Lincoln General Hospital and learn about the Rotarians' gift to the people of Lincoln to form a hospital. We'll remind everyone where Sophie Teeter's ashes are entombed and celebrate milestone achievements in trauma, mental health, and substance abuse treatment.
Then we'll be back at East Campus to talk about the early days of heart care at Bryan Memorial.
On July 24th, we'll remember a fun and memorable time at Lincoln General when an Academy Award-winning movie was produced in Lincoln on our West Campus. You'll hear from people who made cameo appearances and others with the fond memories of terms. We'll also give you details of summer picnic event to celebrate the quality and service awards we received this year.
We'll close the month of July with a look at all we have achieved in our 15 years as BryanLGH Health System.
The first week in August, we'll roll out our plan for Spirit Wear with our new Bryan Health logo.
The second week we'll learn about our counseling center's move to a great new space at West Campus. This program is a big part of our history and our future, one of the many ways we will always care for our community.
August 28th will provide details of name change activity that will occur in September and October.
September B-Tubes will focus on wellness and details of our September 30 run to overcome. We'll hope you'll join coworkers and other friends for our 5K run or walk our 10K. We've been updating you weekly on number of participants by department, leading up to some great prizes for those areas with the greatest participation.
October is when our new name of Bryan Health becomes part of our everyday lives. We'll have weekly updates on building and campus signage, vehicle changes, and telephone tips. We'll also have a coworker recognition dinner, John's Forums, the Making Strides Against Breast Cancer walk, and we're proud to sponsor this year's Boo at the Zoo for Lincoln families.
And don't forget, each week's B-Tube topic will contain a related question. Submit your answer by midnight Thursday for our weekly restaurant gift card drawing.
I hope you enjoyed hearing from people that shared their fond memories of Lincoln General, Bryan Memorial, BryanLGH, and then those that shared some of the activities that they're taking part in to make this all possible. So with that, I'd like to unveil the question to this week's trivia contest. Whose ashes are buried or encapsulated in a wall on one of our buildings on the West Campus? If you'd like to enter the contest and think you know the answer, go to bryanlgh.org/trivia and enter by Thursday at midnight.